Hi everyone, this is Artemystik and I am doing a little bit different video today. I'm not painting in this video. I'm going to do hopefully a quick decoupage project, which I haven't done in a long time, so I'm excited to just kind of get in here and do it. So I'm using a couple interesting materials today. I got this book from my next door neighbor who moved, and she gave me quite a few of her books. And this one is Familiar Garden Birds of America by Henry Hill Collins Jr. and Ned R. Boyajian. Illustrated by John Cameron Rearzari. That is an interesting last name. And Nina Williams. And it's mostly text. This book is from 1965. And it's mostly all text with a few black and white drawings throughout it, but not very many. And then it had a few prints in the center. And I went ahead and tore them all up already. But they were just various. Here, I'll show you some of the birds that I pulled out. They're really nice illustrations. So then this thing, which you probably saw, it says, "Be fruitful." I got this for 3 cents at a Dollar General store. And it's this really solid, hard board. It was marked down on clearance. I couldn't believe it was only 3 cents. And I wound up buying all that they had left because I just instantly had this idea of decoupaging them and covering them with other things. So, yeah, I went ahead and got these, and I think I got, I don't know, maybe 8 of them? I can't remember for sure. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this as my base. So first thing I'm going to do is peel the price tag for $1 off the back. Okay, so let's jump in here and try to get gluing here. I'm going to use Mod Podge, and I have a gloss finish, and I'm okay with that. That'll work for me. This is ancient. Like ancient Mod Podge, and it's really gross around the edge here. I should have cleaned this off before I started the video. Oh well. You guys are real, aren't you? And you probably get glue stuck on your containers too. And I could not clean it, but I don't want to get paper stuck. Wow. Now I've really got a mess, and I don't want these big thick pieces to accidentally get in. I'm saying, I mean, this glue is old, obviously. Alright, I'm already messy. That's okay. I'm gonna get a paper towel here, which I'm almost out of. Okay, maybe that wasn't the best idea either. I haven't worked with Mod Podge in a long time. Okay, I'll go from here. I'm just going to go ahead and firstly just put down a bunch of the glue and just kind of get it primed. I should have put parchment paper underneath this so I don't get glue on my table, but that's okay. It's my art table, so if I get a little glue on it, that's okay. Let's just start with that, and I'll start over here in this area. I kind of started laying it out before, so I've got an idea in my head that I want to try to stick with, and I'll just add more Well, I didn't mean to already start gluing the top. Oh well. I'm gonna make this work. Okay guys, so now I'm going to let that dry. Let me make sure everybody can see that. I'll let that dry, and then I'm going to just trim the edges off. Alright, I'm just going to cut a hole right here, kind of tear a hole for the hang tag, which got glue on it, and that's okay. I don't mind. It'll be okay. So I think it's done. It just needs to dry completely. So here it is, my bird collage from this 1965 book, Familiar Garden Birds of America. Hopefully this inspired you guys to try something similar. And thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't yet. And please click like and let me know that you enjoyed it. And I'd love to hear your comments. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.